Check this out, guys. Clorox sent me out this air purifier to do a review on, and this thing is absolutely amazing. Let me tell you, my son gets really bad allergies, dust, pollen. He's allergic to just about everything, unfortunately. Pets, all that stuff. We don't have any pets, we can't have any pets, but we started putting this in his room for a week now, and it has made an absolute world of difference. We always try to keep his clean really clean, free of dust, anything like that. And it definitely helps, but an air purifier just does wonders, because even if you have a central AC unit that has filters in there, it just doesn't quite do the job. So that's where something like this really steps in to help clean up the air. And you know it's working when you open this up and look at everything that this filter collected. So we will actually start there, because I'm going to show you guys, we're going to break it all down so I can show you guys how this works, how it operates, all the buttons on top, how to use it, all that good stuff. I also have a list of frequently asked questions pulled up with my answers. So I'm going to try to touch on absolutely everything so I can answer all of your questions. So here we go, Clorox air purifier. Let's go ahead and twist this bad boy, because we want to, that's one nice thing about this, is it does have really nice rubber feet on it. So when you want to change the air filter, you don't necessarily have to pick it up and turn it over and twist lock it off. I'll show you all that too. You can leave it where it is and just turn it, because that base is going to stay in place. We're going to turn it and we'll be able to just lift it up and off, that easy. So now we can see our base and our air filter. So here is our air filter. So as you can see, this is really easy to take in and out, and you can get more of these air filters on Amazon too, which is really nice. And then here is our base. As you can see, it's just a twist lock base with your little rubber feet like I was talking about. And then what you could do is when you clean your filter or get a new filter, you can set it back in like that, pick the machine up and put it back on to twist lock it on. But just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to turn it over so you can see what the bottom looks like. So when you clean this out, you want to clean all of this, dust it out and clean it really well. Take your air filter, pop it back in, and then you're going to take your base and then line it up, and then just twist lock it on like that. And you can see on the bottom that it does have a little lock and unlock guide there. Line up the notches and then just twist it to lock it into place. All right, so our functions, let me tilt this thing over and try to get it a little bit closer. So you can see our power button here. I'm gonna go ahead and hit our power button to fire this bad boy up. And we're gonna start with our fan speed. So right now we are on fan speed 1. So fan speed 1, very quiet. This is something that you would probably want to run at night, especially if you are a light sleeper. Then it's not going to bother you at night. You're not going to hear it at all. And we have 3 speed options and then also a turbo boost. So this is speed setting 1, 2, and 3. So hopefully you're getting the sound coming through now. So you can hear it. Is it super loud? No, not really. But if we go over here to our timer, we actually have a timer for a super boost, which is really cool. So if you're trying to clean out a room, musty smell, smoke, or something like that, that's where this comes in. So where you can turn it to a turbo timer, and you can set it for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or 30 minutes to help clear out the smell in that room really fast. 20, 30 minutes. And if we click it again, it's going to turn off that turbo timer. And then we spoke about using this at night on like a whisper quiet mode, right? So we have it on 1 right now, so it's really quiet. If we hit our little light right here, it beeps. And you can see that it dimmed the screen. Hopefully you can see that well on camera, but it dimmed the screen. And we hit it again, it's gonna turn all those lights out. So it's not gonna light up your room at night. So now you have a nice whisper quiet air purifier that is not lighting up your room, which is really cool. And then we click it again and it's gonna light back up. Next function is your power on off, and that is it. So this thing basically comes ready to go out of the box. The filter is already in there. Like it really is ready to go out of the box. You take it out of the box, it's all together. You need to plug it in and turn it on, and that, like, legit, that is it. It's ready to go. There's nothing else that you need to do besides take it out of the box and turn it on, plug it in, turn it on. But let's start going over all those frequently asked questions. First question is going to be, what size room can it handle? So this is designed for medium-sized rooms, and it can clean a 215 square foot room up to 5 times per hour, so which is incredibly impressive. If you have a bigger space that you're putting it in, say a 1,000 square foot room, it will be able to clean that 1,000 square foot room once every hour. So it's really circulating and cleaning the air very, very frequently. Let's see, is it loud? We did kind of go over that. No, it's not very loud, especially when you have it on the first speed, which is a very whisper quiet mode. And you could also bump it up to the turbo setting, the turbo timer if you want to. Let's see, can I turn off the lights at night? We did go over that. Yes, you can turn off the lights at night. The only light that is going to illuminate at night is the little light bulb light. That is it, and it's still very dim. So it's not something that's gonna, you know, project light into the room or anything like that. Is the next question, is the filter easy to change? We did go over that. Yes, the filter is very easy to change, as you saw with the little twist lock bottom. Super, super easy to change. We went over this one too. Where can I find replacement filters? Amazon. You can find replacement filters on Amazon. Replacement filter is going to be the Clorox number 12030 True HEPA filter. Yes, and you can find those on Amazon. Yeah, right. I think that goes over all of our frequently asked questions. I am scrolling through just to double check to make sure I have covered everything. Hopefully I did. Hopefully I answered all of your guys' questions. If you are in the market for an air purifier, I would definitely recommend checking this one out. Like I said, we have been using it for a week in my son's room that does have really bad allergies, and it has helped him tremendously. We're never going to go back to not having an air purifier in there because it absolutely does wonders. So go check this out, guys.